Welcome to algoflow. We, Team Vortex, found a problem statement regarding DApps deployment that we mostly target the decentralized part of the applications to make it decentralized from various centralized systems. But what we actually miss is we create smart contracts and deploy them into blockchain. That's a decentralized part. That's totally fine. But eventually, we are deploying our front end and back end codes into some third party systems like Vercel, Render, or somewhere else, which after a broad spectrum lookout, it becomes a centralized system. So we, Team AlgoFlow, are making a system where the DApp's front-end code can be fetched out and stored in the IPFS Pinata into a blockchain, and then we are feeding the code directly to the browser's V8 engine, through which we are deploying the React front-end sites. And for the backend part, I implemented a marketplace where we are charging very minimal cost for the users to deploy their backends into the systems, where particular computers will act as a node, where it acts as a server that acts as a server for the different customers backend systems, where you store the backend system and run them on the servers. And if by any chance the node comes to a failure issue, then we supposed to switch the node into a fresh node that's available at that current moment, and in that way the backend keeps on running, and it eventually becomes a decentralized system without any single point of failure. So in this way, we are actually building a fully decentralized DApp where no such centralized part of a concept comes into the picture. And we are storing the database into the blockchain, where the after login into the with the wallet, the user can check its all the history deployments in our site that's been logged into the blockchain. And for other tracks like Smolify, we have used the Smolify AI models to filter out the type of the project that could be properly deployed in our systems. And for Requestly, we are using it to properly face the API workflows, so that HTTPS and GET request can be easily handled without writing the code for those, which can help us to deploy in a proper way. Thank you. So the further video, you can also have a look to the demo part of the